Changing your username on eBay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Sign into your eBay account. Log into your eBay account using your current username and password. Ensure that you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once loaded in, navigate to the Account section. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon at the top of the page and selecting Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings, look for the Personal Information section. Click on it to access your account details, including your username. Step 4. Edit your username. Find the option to edit your username. Click on the Edit button next to your current username. Enter your desired new username, ensuring it meets eBay's guidelines for usernames. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, review it for accuracy. Click the Save button to confirm the change. You may need to verify your identity through a confirmation email or security question. Once you've completed these steps, your eBay username will be updated. Remember that you can only change your username a limited number of times, so choose wisely.